Ребята попросили на стенде. Друзья, сегодня 60 лет исполнилось одному стрелку. И по традиции такая задача решать. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Будем стрелять по кепке, друзья.
So the wind start
I
down.
didn't buy a Barretta, I would have bought that.
Yeah.
You must wait a long time now. No. It's only you only need one pellet.
I will announce when I'm releasing.
Yeah.
I will then announce when you can shoot.
Yes.
All right.
So you're not going to shoot it just above my head.
No.
I will announce when I'm releasing and when you can shoot.
I agree.
Okay. Just repeat that to me. Okay.
So shoot, don't shoot it.
You release, we shoot. Don't shoot this one.
Let go fire.
I would suggest, David, do we need to let it get a bit of
No, open the gun, Mark. Open
Wait,
the
wait,
gun.
wait.
No.
David, lock
altitude?
lock and load. Stand there to catch it like a hat.
Shoot.
They're going to miss. You shoot.
Yes.
Okay, but get ready. Stand there.
Uh-huh.
Only shooting.
But David says
You're gonna
shoot.
shoot the
Uh-huh.
If he miss, I shoot. If I miss, you
You
shoot.
shoot.
Yes.
You're the best shooter.
Uh-huh.
All right. But wait for David to say shoot.
Yes.
Shoot.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
But wait for shoot.
Okay.
I'm going to shoot this guy.
Yes, you'll say shoot.
Ребята, это день рождения.
Hey.
Julian, you ready?
Yes. Стрелка.
Wait.
Shoot, Mark. Go out. I need more. Nice.
Yay!
Hey.
Happy birthday! Вот такие вот игрушки, друзья, у стрелков. Стреляют
Here we go. Come say.
по шарику, который взлетел. И это своего рода традиция.